Hi guys, I know it's been a long time you haven't seen me. Today we'll be reviewing the mini blender. I already put it to charge for about like 36 minutes. So let's get to work. We'll be using some melons. Ooh. So juicy, so wet. I'm gonna unscrew the blender, put the melons inside. Oh, when it blends, it strains through this little thing here. That's a brilliant idea. Okay, let's So I had to wait 3 hours for it to charge. I thought it would take like 36 minutes to charge, but it took actually 3 hours. I did further research and it says 3 to 5 hours, so I waited 3 hours for it to charge. The only issue I have with this mini blender is it takes too long to charge. But I guess it needs the horsepower to power it up. But overall, it was a good purchase and I love it. So you should get yourself a mini blender also. Thanks for watching Amanda's Reality. Like, share and subscribe. Cheers.